Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be cleaning my room. It's that time of the year. Anyways, let's just get right into it. Okay, first we're gonna start with this area. We're gonna start off easy. Okay, I created a little more space. I folded the clothes. Now mind these drawers here, they're broken. And yeah. Okay, this place is the next area we're cleaning. It's so crowded and messy, so yeah. Don't mind the show in the back, but I just cleared off all the stuff and now we're gonna wipe the table. Okay guys, I cleared this whole place. We're having visitors over, so I'm trying to make as much space as possible, so yeah. Okay, right now I'm trying to get rid of the dust. You can't really see it, but yeah. Okay guys, next I'm gonna sort out this little area. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but bear with me. Okay, we're done with this place. Okay, so I have a bunch of clothes in this bag, so I'm just gonna sort them out. Okay, these are all the clothes that were in the bag. Okay, next we're gonna fix the closet. We're almost done, so bear with me. Okay, here's how the closet looks now. Still kind of a bit messy, but it's better than it was before. Okay, next I'm gonna clean up my desk area. As you can see, it has a couple of lip gloss stains, so we're gonna get rid of that. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna make up the bed. Hey guys, I look a mess, but I'm finally done cleaning the room. This took me longer than I expected, but I'm gonna show you guys the final result, so yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. The bed's a bit wrinkly, but we'll work on that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm going to miss being in my room. It's only gonna be for a week, but still. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.